Hello, Watercolor 101. If you want to paint a pear about this level, here's how I did it. Well, first of all, lay down some tones of brown, some on the golden side, just to give it more vibrance. The shadow is raw umber mixed with some lunar blue, which is a Daniel Smith color. It's kind of a bluish color. Then, while it's still wet, I used a squished out brush and tried to remove a few highlights, looking at the pear, thinking where is the lightest area. And it'd be good if you had a paper towel to do that, but I didn't have one, so I was just improvising by squishing the water out with my hands. So then we're looking closely at the subtle nuances and different tones that are in there, and now we're trying to mirror those tones just with the various beige, gold, and burnt umber. And if you get a little contrast like I did with the burnt umber, then that can lend to an image of translucence, and so that's always a nice touch.